Hey YouTube fans, let's delve into Rihanna supporting Asaprocky at the Rolling Loud concert. A night to remember. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. The lights dimmed, the crowd surged with anticipation, and a palpable energy filled the air as fans eagerly awaited the next performance at the Rolling Loud concert. Amidst the sea of faces, one name echoed louder than the rest: Rihanna. Known for her chart-topping hits and stunning stage presence, her unexpected appearance alongside Asaprocky sent shockwaves through the audience. This was no ordinary concert. It was a spectacle that showcased love, support, and the undeniable chemistry between two of the music industry's biggest stars. The setting, Rolling Loud Festival. Rolling Loud has become synonymous with hip-hop culture, attracting fans from all corners of the globe. The festival is renowned not just for its lineup of artists, but also for the vibrant atmosphere and the sense of community it fosters. This year, as attendees gathered in anticipation, they could sense that something special was about to unfold. Rumors swirled about surprise guests, but no one could have predicted the magic that would happen when Rihanna took the stage. Asaprocky's performance, setting the stage. Asaprocky, known for his unique blend of hip-hop and fashion, kicked off his set with an energy that electrified the crowd. His songs, filled with gritty lyrics and infectious beats, had everyone on their feet. As he performed hits like Praise the Lord and $D, the audience was completely captivated. But it was clear that something was missing, something that would elevate the experience to new heights. As the beats dropped and the excitement reached a fever pitch, Rocky paused, teasing the crowd. "I've got a special guest for y'all tonight," he declared. The crowd erupted in cheers, speculation running wild. Who could it be? The anticipation was almost unbearable. The moment of surprise, Rihanna takes the stage. And then it happened. The unmistakable silhouette of Rihanna appeared, and the crowd went wild. Dressed in a striking outfit that combined high fashion with streetwear, she exuded confidence and charisma. The moment she stepped onto the stage, the energy shifted. It was as if the entire festival had come alive in a single heartbeat. Rihanna joined Asaprocky for a performance of their collaboration, Fashion Killa, and the chemistry between them was undeniable. Their voices blended seamlessly, creating a harmonious sound that resonated deeply with the audience. As they moved together, it became clear that this was more than just a performance. It was a celebration of their bond, both personal and professional. The power of support, a deeper connection. Rihanna's appearance at the concert wasn't just about the music. It symbolized a deeper connection between the two artists. Their relationship has often been the subject of media speculation, but this moment spoke volumes. Rihanna, a powerhouse in her own right, took the time to support Rocky, showcasing the importance of solidarity in the competitive world of music. In an industry that often pits artists against each other, Rihanna's presence served as a reminder of the power of collaboration and support. It illustrated that even the biggest stars can lift each other up, creating magic together rather than competing for the spotlight. The crowd, witnessing this display of camaraderie, felt a renewed sense of community and appreciation for both.